Okay, what I'm going to do is make some breakfast today. And I'm going to make some eggs. Can you see them here? Spring onions, just a couple. And I'll only use like a quarter of a pepper. And that's all. And then I'll use all my herbs and spices up there. So take that off, and I take the outer ends off. I take out the outer leaves, like that. And then, just so that we can get all in a frying pan, we'll cut it all up into little pieces. And then I'll cut this. It's a nice little pepper. I like seeing it inside. I'll make this into little, because the smaller they are, the quicker they do. So mix those together. I'll put that back in the fridge. Right, what I'll do now is I'll put some coconut oil in. Okay, so that's virgin coconut oil. I'll put some, I'm going to go and see somebody today, so I better not put garlic in there. Coriander, ground coriander. Just a little bit, that's all. A little bit of cumin in there. Cumin. Okay. And organic milled linseeds in a plastic pot. Okay. Click. Okay. See how it's melting? Can you see how it's all melting? Okay. We'll put these in first. And you've got to coat it all. Just toss it all around in those ingredients. That's the peppers and onions in there. Eggshells are really good for your garden. Good for the soil. Keep them, crush them, so that they're like sawdust, and then just mix it in with your garden soil. Here's my tea. I like stewed tea. Strong tea, builder's tea. Almost done yet, see? And the good thing about this is I've got 2 yolks, I haven't split them. I think that's done. There you go. Nicely done. Right, let's eat and drink. There you go.